I was working in the emergency department and I started having joint pains in my fingers and difficulty breathing. It started hurting me just to breathe, and I was examining my patients and I was in more pain sometimes than the people I was examining. It became very difficult for me. I was on 6 medications and got diagnosed with lupus.
Whoa.
And they kept adding more and more medications, immunosuppressives, high dose steroids, and it wasn't working. They were going to try experimental drugs. And I know from learning that this would kill me. And so I didn't know what to do. No one had said anything to me about diet or lifestyle. And I was so fortunate that I just was Googling, and Dr. Fuhrman came up. And 2 weeks later, from when I heard about him online, I flew out to a conference and heard him speak in person and learned all this information.
And you're a medical doctor, a trained medical doctor.
I'm a medical doctor. I was an emergency physician working in the ER.
So what did you learn from Dr. Fuhrman that you didn't learn in medical school?
Oh my gosh, so much. We didn't learn any of this in medical school. And I was sitting in the audience learning from Dr. Fuhrman, and I could not believe it. Like, how could we not have learned this? And he showed the evidence and years of research that supported food as medicine. And I never told my patients about food as medicine or practiced it myself. And it was mind-blowing for me.
So both professionally and personally, it really changed your life.
It changed everything, because I had to quit my job in the ER and take time off because I was so sick. I was so depressed. I started crying every day. And all of that changed the day I met Dr. Fuhrman and learned this.
Wow. Now, got to ask you, as a doctor, would you recommend this program to people?
I actually changed my practice, and now I teach Nutritarian diet and lifestyle medicine. So it's the greatest honor to me, and I'm so grateful for the new life I have and the chance I've gotten to be a doctor again and now to teach everything that I learned from Dr. Fuhrman. It's been wonderful.
Oh, well, thank you. That is such an outstanding story. Thanks so much.
Thank you.